K-map for 3 variable also we have completed, I think.
For 2 variables, we completed.
K-map for 3 variables completed or not?
For 2 variables, completed, sir.
Okay, we can do problem on K-map.
Okay, okay, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, everyone note this problem. Everyone take pen and paper and make note it down. So find the Boolean expression using K-map. Find the Boolean expression using K-map. హలో చెప్పండి మేడం. మెఫా వస్తారు, ఒకసారి కాల్ చేయండి. ఇంకా 2:10 అయింది, ఇంకా రాకపోవడం ఏంటి? ఓకే, ఒకసారి కాల్ చేసి చూడండి. Why some people are clicking on share the screen? It is not possible to me to share the screen. So please don't click on share option. Why you people are every time clicking on share option? What is the necessary to go to share option for you? That is only for faculty. Are you able to get my screen?
No, sir.
Yeah, note down problem. First
No, sir.
Okay,
you
sir.
can wait. It will share to you. You can just wait. It will reach us to you. Anusha Nagreddy, please stop sharing the screen. Still Anusha is sharing screen. Why this is happening? Anusha, are you there? No. Anusha Nagreddy, please stop the sharing screen. Now is it visible to you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Who is Anusha? Anyone know who is this Anusha Nagreddy? I think now everyone is able to get my screen.
Yeah, sir. Clear.
Yeah, thank you, Vijaya Battila.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone note down. Everyone note down this truth table. One example is I gave there. So there you can find. So find the write the or find the Boolean function, simplified Boolean function for the truth table given below. A, B, C are inputs, Y is output. We clearly mentioned with red color where output is going to be 1. So everyone note down the table. Or everyone note down the truth table only. So don't write this K-map. If everyone completed, please let me know so that we can start our solution.
Sir, once go to that slide, sir.
Yeah, you can see. Is it visible now? Hello.
No, no, sir.
You can wait a second.
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir. Yes.
Okay. Again, someone is joining. Where Babu? Hello. Oh, sorry. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, all of you completed?
Completed, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me the from the truth table, can you write the Boolean expression for y? We have truth table. From the truth table, we can easily write Boolean expression. That Boolean expression we need to simplify. Clear, all of you?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me. So y in terms of output, y in terms of input variables a, b, c. Clear. So now tell me what is y in terms of a, b, c.
A
What is
bar,
the expression for very good expression for y is a bar.
B bar, C bar.
So it's better to write here. So y equals to a bar, b bar, c bar plus what is the next value?
C bar. Next one, sir. A bar, B bar, C.
A bar, b bar, c. Next one. What is the next value?
A bar, B, C bar. A bar, B,
A bar,
C, sir.
a bar,
B, C bar. B, C bar.
sir, sir. A bar,
Sir, which one, sir?
B,
Next. Sir, fourth one, A bar, B, C, sir.
third one you can tell me.
Third one, A bar, B,
A bar.
C bar.
What is third one output here? 100. 100 is in the why a bar will come?
third one, 010, sir.
A, B, C bar.
Where is third one? What is the value of third one?
Third one,
B bar, C
100.
bar.
100 a, b bar, c bar. What is the second one actually? Second one is correct. A bar, B bar, C, 001. First one is A bar, B bar, C bar, triple zeros. And third one, see the screen. At the out at which combination input combination output is going to be 1. So this is the third one. 100. 100 in the sense 4. 4 in the
Sir.
sense, yeah, tell me.
Sir, please repeat it again, sir.
B bar, C bar. Yeah. See here, this is the truth table. Is everyone getting this truth table?
yeah, sir.
Yeah. Here we can check where output is y. Y is going to be 1. You should not take where y is going to be 0. We can take the combinations of here a, b, c are input variables and y is output. So output 1 in the sense output high, 0 in the sense output 0. Output
sir.
is presented where y equals to 1. So we can take that input combinations only. What are that input combinations? For first combination, a equals to 0, b equals to 0, c equals to 0. Then output is 1. So if a, b, c terminals are 0, that is in the sense logic 0. So we are getting output is 1. So that is the reason y is equals to a bar, b bar, c bar. Why? Because a equals to 0, b equals to 0, c equals to 0. And one more output combination is where we are getting output 1 is a is 0, b is 0, and c is 1. That is nothing but a bar, b bar, c.
C.
So see the second term, a bar, b bar, c. And third term, so where we are getting third output high combination, so we need to consider that only. So 1 double 0 in the sense a equals to 1, b equals to 0, and c equals to 1. So there we are getting a, b bar, c bar. So in next combination, we can see where we are getting 1, 1, 0, 1. That is nothing but 5. 1, 0, 1 is nothing but 5. 5 in the sense. So we can write a, b bar, c. That is nothing but 5. Again, we can see, is there any other combination where we are getting output high? Yes. Is there one more combination is there where we are getting y equals to 1? That is nothing but 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0 in the sense, what is its value? 1, 1, 0 in the sense 6. That is nothing but a, b, 0 in the sense c bar. This is the actual Boolean expression. But if you see, in order to perform this Boolean expression, how many AND gates and how many OR gates we need?
Four R and
Yeah, tell me.
5. 4 R and 5 and sir. But we need to simplify.
Yeah, how we can simplify? Can you tell me? Can you follow our conventional method?
By using K-map, sir.
First of all, tell me our conventional method.
By using theorems, sir.
Yeah, tell me what are the theorems? So first of all, we can see in what is the conventional method without using a Boolean K-map is we need to check here what are the common terms. What are the common terms? A, B, C here. In first two terms, what are the common terms? A bar, B bar. Hello? See here, in first two terms, what are the common terms? A bar, B bar. So we can separate A bar, B bar. Here all of you.
Sir, yes, sir. C bar plus C. 1.
Yeah.
Sir.
See here, in first term, everyone should follow. If you are having any doubts, please rise. I will explain. So here, in first two terms, A bar, B bar is common. So remaining, what are the remaining terms we are having? C bar plus C. So this is the conventional method we are following. But if number of input terminals are increased, but this process will become lengthy, and we are not sure about this process whether it is correct or not. Why? Because human may forget while observing what are the common terms are there. So if you follow the process, then we can find directly we will get the simplified process. For that process only we are using K-map. So later, after simplifying this one, we can see how we can simplify using K-map. everyone should clearly listen. Again, this is third time we are repeating the following this process while simplifying the arithmetic, Boolean expression. So this is what from two terminals, from first two terminals we got this equation. So is there any common terms from the remaining terms?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, tell me what are the terms? A B bar. Yeah, A B bar is also common, I think. Okay. Again, what are the common terms? A B bar. Yeah. A B bar we are making common, so that what we are C plus C bar is left. C plus C bar. So in final term, what is the in final term what we have got? A B C bar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me C plus C bar, what is its value?
1.
Is everyone following or not? Hello everyone.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, not only
Yes,
you,
sir.
Monica. Remaining students also should respond. Yeah, good.
Following.
So, yeah, C plus C bar in both two terms we are having C plus C bar. So C plus C bar value is clearly nothing but it is 1. So we are we are leaving that value. So we will so we have A bar B bar. In next term what we are having A B bar.
A, B, C bar.
A B bar. Again in final term what we are having A B C
Bar.
C bar.
Again, we can take common, sir.
Yeah, what we can take common?
B bar. B bar. B bar.
Again, see first two terms what we are having, we can see first two terms. If you see carefully, B bar is common from first two terms. So
Yes,
this
sir.
observation will take more time. So it is time consuming, and sometimes we're not able to find that exact simplified value. So here, if you see carefully, B bar is common. So I'm separating B bar. So what we left with? A plus A bar. A plus A bar. So what is the A plus A bar value?
Again, one, sir.
Again 1. So finally we got with, so what is
B.
this value?
B bar into A, B, C bar.
Yeah, C bar. A, B, C bar. A, B, C bar. Again, what is the value? Now tell me. A plus A bar is value 1. So we left with B bar. B
Plus
bar,
A,
and then what are the other terms?
A, B, C bar.
ABC bar.
A, B, C bar. Sorry, B bar. Plus A, B, C bar.
Bar.
C bar. See, if you delete this B and if you write this B here by using associative law, are you able to get this one? B bar plus AC bar B. So this equation using Converse theorem, if you can take, already I told you A plus A bar B is nothing but A plus B. Do you remember that one? A plus A bar B can be written as, see I am writing one formula here. See here, its final form is B bar plus AC bar. B bar plus AC bar. So this is the final form. So how we got the last equation is, we have one formula that is nothing but I am writing here A plus A bar B. If you go through Boolean theorems, we got this equation A plus A bar B. What is its value? Already we have seen proof also. A plus B directly we can write it. Okay, here a bar will go, or else we can write it still clearly. We can write it a bar, sorry, a bar, a bar whole bar, a bar whole bar b is equals to is again b plus c. See here, in first term b bar is there, b plus there, b is there. So b obviously will remove, and finally we will get this equation b bar, and so this is form. Are you clear? This is the final form of this y. So how many AND gates and how many OR gates we are having? Initially it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 AND gates and 4 OR gates. But at the final it is requiring only 1 AND gate and 1 OR gate. So two gates. With help of 2 gates we can write y.
Yes.
So to simplify, we are taking this much of steps, and everyone we should remember lot of problems. Sorry, we should remember lot of theorems. But using K-map in single step, we can write the final form. So that is the simplest form. So now we can see how we can use K-map to simplify the Boolean expression. So how many variables are given here?
3,
How
sir.
many input variables? Three input variables are given. What are they? A, B, C.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
someone messaging that they want to join, sir.
That is the thing. They have to follow timings. I just now admitted them. Is there anyone? Chandrika just joined now, and Sunny Shanmukh also joined. Okay, see here. So how many input variables are here? Boys, you should respond. How many input variables are here? Hello.
3, sir. 3.
Three input variables are given. So what are they?
ABC.
A, B,
C.
Yeah. So variables are A, so this is the order I am following, B, C. B, C. So what are the values of A? What are the values of A? A may be 0 or A may be 1. So A1 in the sense, what is its value? A1 in the sense, this is A. A0 in the sense, what is its value? Actually,
A bar.
A bar. A bar. So we can write like this also. Either we can represent 0 or 1, either we can write A bar A. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yeah. Here 0, 0. So B is 0, C is 0. So same equation, how we can write here? B bar, C bar. B bar, C bar. So we can write any method. Either we can use 0, 0 or we can use B bar, C bar. So what is the other value? 0,
1.
1. So this
B
0,
bar
1
C.
will, yeah, this 0, 1 will entire in these two equations, 0, 1 will remain. Clear all of you? These two equations, what is the BC values? 0, 1 only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So in these two cells, what is the BC values? 0, 0 in these two cells. Clear? Again, in 4 cells, what is the A value? In 4 cells, A value is constant. That is, what is the A value? In these 4 horizontally. What is the A value? We are taking horizontally A is 0. In remaining horizontal 4 cells, what is the A value? Here A value is 1. ఏం అసలు అర్థం కావట్లేదండి, అక్కడ క్లియర్గా రాసి చెప్తున్నా సరే. No one is responding. Why? Are you able to get my screen?
Yes, sir.
Then why you are taking to respond? Clearly I am marking that. Horizontal we are taking by a variable we are taking horizontally, BC variable we are taking vertically. So horizontally first in first cells, first row cells, A is 0 in the sense that is common in 4 cells. In next 4 cells, A is 1 in the sense A is equals to 1 in remaining 4 cells. Already we have in last session also we have clearly we learned this concept. Okay, so 0 1 in the sense instead of 0 we can take B bar.
Yes, sir.
And this is C.
B bar.
And next combination, what is its value here? This is 1 1 combination. 1 1 combination in the sense BC.
BC.
BC. Here now it is 1 0 combination. 1 0 combination, what is value? B C bar.
BC bar.
Yeah, very good. B C bar. B C bar. See here, we can compare with either 0 min term value or either min term product value. So min term value in the sense, what is A bar, B bar, C bar? In which location it is going to be happen? A bar, B bar, C bar. See here, what is this? What is this cell value? First cell value, what is the cell value? You have to tell me. Each box here can be called as cell. What is the first cell value?
0.
0. But how we can make it 0? Because A is 0, B is 0, C is 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 0 in the sense entire its value is going to be 0. This cell value is 0. What is the next cell value? What is the value of A here? Value of A is 0. Value of BC is 0 1. So A is 0 and B is 0 and C is 0. 0 0 0 1 in the sense
1.
1. Again A is 0, BC are 1 1. So what is its value?
1.
Namaste everyone. Who told 1? For them is big namastes.
0, sir.
Yeah, very good. Fine. That is very fine answer.
3, sir.
Are you in conscious or not?
3, sir.
How you are following? See, at least you do you know cross multiplication, or else how to make a combination is there? A is 0, and then this box is belongs to each cell value is given. This is 0 and this is 0 0. First one A is 0, B is 0, C is 0. Next we are moving to second cell. Second cell in the sense, what is the second cell values of BC? BC is 0 1. And what is the value of A? A is 0. Then can you make the combination A B C? A is 0, B is 0, C is 1. 0 0 1. That is in the sense its value is 1. And coming to the third cell B equals to 1, C equals to 1, C equals to 0. 0 in the sense A B C. A is 0, B is 1, C equals to 1. So 0 1 1. What is that value? 3. Then why you are telling again 0 and 1? Clearly I am telling. If you are not clear, please ask me. I will explain. Why don't you forget this cell values? Clearly we took one session to learn the, and I clearly I explained why you are taking these combinations. Actually first B for BC values it is first cell 0 0 and second cell 0 1. Again 1 0 has to come, but instead of 1 0 1 1 came. Why you forgetting? So this cell value is 1. Simple basic values are there. BC values are 1 1 1. See, A value is 0 0 1 1 in the sense 0 3. Again next cell. What is the value of BC? Value of BC is 1 0.
2, sir.
Hello?
2, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, very good. That is the response I need from you. Again it's coming to the next row. A became 1. A became 1 and what are the BC values? 0 0. 100, what is its value? 100 in the sense.
4,
Four,
sir.
sir. Four.
Yeah,
Four.
4. That is the
Five, sir.
reason.
5.
That is the reason here A equals to 1 and B equals to 0, 0. Again, next term is 5. Next box is 5. Again, next cell
Yes.
value is 7.
Seven.
A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, 7. So next
Seven.
cell value, A is 1, B is 1, C is 0. So it is 6. Now you can tell me. So clearly we have BC values also there, min terms also there, max terms also there. So here, what is the first min term we are having from the truth table? A bar, B bar, C bar. Can now tell me which cell is satisfying for this A bar, B bar, C bar? Which cell
Yes,
is satisfying for this A bar, B bar, C bar?
1, 0, 1, sir. 0, 1.
A bar, B bar, C bar. Which cell is locating A bar, B bar, C bar?
Receiver 0.
0th cell.
0, sir.
Yeah, very good, very good. 0th cell. Here in this cell, A bar is presented, B bar is presented, C bar is presented. Clearly combine these two.
Yeah,
A bar,
sir.
B bar, C bar. So we have that term. So I'm making this cell is going to be 1. Why? Because in this combination we are getting output as 1.
Yes.
So what is the other combination? A bar,
A-
B bar, A bar, B bar, C. So A bar is here, A bar is here. What is B bar C? B bar C is this one. So B bar C is this one. So with this one and this one combination, what is the other value? So this is the other box. This is the other box. That is one. Clearly, what is this min term? A bar, B bar min term. What is that min term is M naught. What is next min term given clearly?
M1.
Next min term. What is very good, very good. Yeah, this is M1. What is the third min term we are having? Even after converting min terms also we can write it clearly. So what is the third min term?
M4.
What is min term? A M4. Very good. What is the third min term?
M5, sir.
Very good, very good. So next min term, this min term is M5.
M5.
After that, yeah, after M5, M6. Yeah, after M5, we got M6. So in exams, in some of the exams, instead of truth table, we may have also given like this. So he will give in terms of min terms like this. So y is given like this. So this is one way of asking. Y is given y equals to M0 plus M1 plus M4 plus M5 plus M6. Now simplify the what is the y value of y. So find the expression for y. So you may also get a question like that. Clear all of you?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Or else you may ask like in other way also. That is what is the other way is. Clearly I mentioned how to represent min terms. Here min term is represented with the help of sigma. Again, m is nothing but min term. So what are the terms presented here? 0 is presented, that is m0. 1 is presented, that is m1. 4 is presented, that is so 0 comma 1 comma 4 comma
5.
yeah 5 and 6. Yeah, he will give truth table. Otherwise, he will give any of these two terms, these two forms. Either he will give m equals to m0, y equals to m0, m1, m4, m5, m6, or else he will give simply y equals to sigma of m of 0, 1, 4, 5, 6. Now, what is the y expression? Clear all of you?
Yes.
This is the three different variations you will get questions. Clear all of you? In same process, in every process, we should remember if there is a 3 variables, so we can construct 3 variable map here, and we can check which box is going to be produce output. That box is here m0 in the sense that is 0, m1 in the sense that is 1. Again after m4 is nothing but this fourth box, m5 is nothing but this one, and after that m6 is nothing but this one. Simply this is the output where we are getting this output. This is the representation of y. Clear all of you?
Yeah,
This is the y we are getting with min terms 0, 1, 4, 5, 6. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now how to get clearly, already I told you how to combine the cells. How to combine the cells? Adjacent cells only we need to combine. See, using two variables we completed in the last session. That is the reason. If you are putting everything on paper, so you will get remember. Otherwise, you will lost everything. So, what is the process of combining cells? How we can combine cells? Anyone? Monica and Co. Everyone forget it. Very good. Zero one in the sense B bar C. Now tell me how we can combine cells. See, in K-map we can combine either two cells. Adjacent cells we can combine. So these two cells are where all cells are having ones, that all one cells are can combine. So either here also we can combine. Okay. So this is the way how we can combine using two cells. Why? Because all adjacent cells having ones can be combined. Clear, all of you? This is the one basic rule. We need to combine the cells. Hello, everyone following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In first combination, in this here how I can write expression. So what is the value of A and that in the two combinations? We combining two cells. In combined two cells, what is the value of A?
0.
0. So in both cells A is 0. So we can take, instead of A we can take A bar. In both cells, what is the B value? Can anyone tell me? In both cells, what is the B value? In first cell, B value is 0. In second cell, what is the B value?
1, sir.
2, sir.
1. Very good. Superb answer. See here, 0, 0. This is the 0, 0 will belongs in these two cells. And 0, 1 will belongs to these two cells. 1, 1 will belongs to these two cells. 1, 0 will belongs to these two cells. Now tell me, in first combination, what is the value of B? What is the value of B here and what is the value of B here?
0.
In both cells, value of B is 0. See here 0 and second combination is also it is 0. So 0 in the sense, so value of B is not changing. So there also we need to take that value. What about C value? In
0.
both cells, what is the C value in both cells? What is the value of C in first cell?
0, sir.
0.
In second cell?
1.
1. So in first cell it is 1, 0. In second cell it is 1. So value changing, C value is changing. So we no need to consider value of C. Clear, all of you?
Okay, sir.
See, here's value of C is 0. That is in the nothing but C bar. Here C value is 1. That is in the nothing but C. Just like what is happening here, see, while combining two steps, see here. If you are combining two steps, what is happening? A bar, B bar is common, C bar is changing. C bar will become 1. So that is the reason here C is going to be nullified. C is changing from C. A is in both cells A bar is common and B bar is common, but C is changing. C is changing from 0 to 1. That is in the sense, while combining these two equations, what is happening? C plus will become 1. So clearly in this simplification also we have seen C plus C bar is going to be 1. So after combining these two cells, what we got? A bar, B bar. Clear, all of you?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Next combination. Come to the second combination. Second combination. What is the value of A? See here.
1.
Again. I am combining K map to the. So first two cells we got this, I'm clearly writing map, one map there, sorry, in red color map. So by combining two equations, what we got? A bar, B bar. C plus C bar is got nullified. Now we can linking. This linking, definitely I will say no one will explain this linking. Simplification and K map, no one will explain. You can try anywhere. By comparing with simplification, no faculty will explain. నేనేం తోపని చెప్పట్లేదమ్మా, నాకు తెలిసింది చెప్తున్నాను అంతే. అర్థమవుతుందా? See here, see if you combine these two equations, what we got? A bar, B bar. So similarly in K map also we got A bar, B bar. So apart from that, now tell me from second combination. Second combination, what we are having?
A is same.
What is, yeah, A is same in the sense A is same, that is A value is 1 in the sense we can take it B, A. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is the B value?
0.
B value in first cell 0, second cell is also 0, so B is also not changing, so that 0 is not changing, B value is not changing, so I am taking it as B bar. Again, what about C is changing, just like after here we next two terms, third term and fourth term, what we got? A B bar got C plus get cancelled, so here also C we can't write C. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What about this term? This term is remain, this is not merged with any other ones. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason we are writing same equation. What is the value of A here? A value is 1, and what are the BC value? B is 1 and C is 0. Clear? This is
Yes.
B1 and C 0. So that is nothing but BC bar. BC bar. Are you clear, everyone? How to simplify?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Is there any simplification in this is there any simplification?
We can take common.
B bar common.
See, after combining ones, if you are getting any simplification, see here we can easily simplify. Here B bar is common, so we can take B bar is common. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we are doing mistake. Using K-map, we are doing mistake. What is that mistake is, we can combine maximum 4 cells or 8 cells. Combination of cells will start from 2 to number of cells. We can combine 2, or we can combine 4, or we can combine 8. Then only we will get the simplified form. So for understanding purpose, so how if you combine 2 terms, so how we are getting the terms, that is what I am explaining. Okay, clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the up to now what we had followed the process is absolutely correct, but we are missing something. If you up to now, if you are clear, I will go to the further process.
Yes, sir.
If you are clear with what are the process we are following is 100% correct, but we need to follow some more, much more better process. I think we need to take some more changes. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can go.
Yeah. And one more thing, while combining cells, extreme cells also combine. Okay. Here in 6th box, we are having single one. In order to combine this one, I am using this combination also. I can combine 1 and 4 and 6 easily. Like the way 0 and 2 I can combine. If one in 0th cell and 1 cell, ones are there, I can combine these two ones. Simply we can fold it also. After folding, what we are having? Hello?
Four.
If you fold, 4 and 6 also will make one combination. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is the thing I need to get. So clearly here what I'm doing is I'm combining 4 and 6 cells. So boys, are you okay? If you are having any doubts, I will explain again. You can ask me. See here, I am combining 6th with 4. So that is the reason I am leaving like this. Okay. Clear all of you? Fourth
Yes.
cell is common. Fourth cell is common to fifth cell and sixth cell. So no problem. We can combine like that way also. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now tell me, in this 4 and 6. So we need to compare these two. 4 and 6. What is the value of A? What is the constant values? We can check. A is common. That is nothing but in 4 and 6. A is common. That is A. And 4 and 6. What are the other values common? What are the C value? Here B and C are 0 0. Here B and C are 1 0. So which one is common? C is common. C is common. That is 0. C 0 in the sense C bar. Clear all of you? C
Yes,
bar.
sir.
Yeah. Still we can simplify this equation. How we can simplify this equation? By taking B bar is common. B bar is common. Yeah. Okay. B bar. After separating B bar, what we left with? A plus A bar. Clear?
A plus A bar
Yeah.
plus A. Okay, sir.
A plus A bar plus A bar. A. I think boys is having some doubt. That's why they are not responding. Boys, if you are having any doubts, please ask me. I will explain.
Okay, sir.
This is C bar. So what is the A plus A bar value? Is
One,
going
sir.
to be 1. So finally what we got? B bar.
B bar plus AC bar.
B bar plus AC bar. So with conventional method, what is the simple expression we got?
B bar plus AC bar.
So both are equal or not? Both are equal or not? So this is the conventional method.
Both are equal.
This is using K map. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is my intention is, if you are using perfectly K map, these two steps also not used. These 2 steps also no need to write. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So finally in single step we will get this final equation. Okay. Shall we do? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Shall we do it that again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. We can see. I'm arranged. I think from this everyone is clear. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. That is fine. See here, instead of combining 2, I have a chance to combine 4 cells also. See here. So all 4 cells are adjacent here. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes,
So
sir.
instead of combining 2, what I'm doing here, I can combine maximum cells always. So what I'm doing here, I combined 4 cells, and we left with 6. We left with 6. This 6 I'm combining with 4. So all cells are all cells are combined equally. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
I can use another color so that you can easily identify. So this is black. In black color one combination is there, and green color one combination is there. Now tell me. So in what are the cells we are combining? 0 1 4 5. In 0 1 4 5, what is the common value? We can select the common value and we can write that final equation. Now you can tell me in green box. In green box, which term is common?
B bar.
B bar.
Which term?
B
B
bar.
bar. B bar, sir.
Very good. B bar is common in both equations. See here, in these 2 equations, what is the value of BC? B is 0, C is 0. In these 2 equations, what is the BC? So this is the value.
Is
In
0, sir.
vertical, these 2 are common. In vertical, these 2 are common. Okay. In horizontal, A is changing from 0 to 1. So no need to bother about A. So here, C is also changing from 0 to 1. A is changing from 0 to 1. See here, A is also changing from 0 to 1. So if A is changing from 0 to 1, C is changing from 0 to 1. No bother about that one. But B is common. That is B value is C bar. So I'm taking, sorry, B value is 0. That is the reason I'm taking it as B bar. Clear, all of you? Now tell me. Now you can combine 4 and 6. In 4 and 6, obviously it is a horizontal, so A is 1, so obviously we can write A. Clear all of you? Again we can check in this box. A and B are 0 0, here 1 0, so 0 0 1 0, which one is common? C bar is common. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the beauty of K-map. Within single step we will get final value. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think both equations are equal or not?
Equal.
Are you enjoying or not using K-map?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Okay, I will share some more problems to you. You can solve at your home, and in next session we can check that one also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you,
Bye,
Arun.
sir.
Hello. Okay. So what is the next period? I think hoops through Java.
Yeah, sir. Java.
Okay. Hello, madam. I think madam got just now joined. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay. Thank you. Will you start the session, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll start.